Brazil new player joined Brazil squad for next match. Brazil potential starting lineup 4-3-3 formation with Brazilian head coach Carlo Ancelotti. Goalkeeper Alisson Becker. Right back defender Fabrizio Bruno. Center back defender Marquinhos. Center back defender Gabriel Magalhaes. Left back defender Douglas Santos. Right defensive midfielder Bruno Guimaraes. Center attacking midfielder Casemiro. Left defensive midfielder Lucas Paqueta. Right winger Rafinha. Left winger Luis Henry. And striker, the one and only João Pedro.